Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
If you are using assisted payroll, you can't adjust the liability balances for liabilities paid by the payroll service, meaning the federal and state tax liabilities. However, you can adjust the liability balance for local or other taxes not supported by the payroll service. If you are not using assisted payroll or hire, or are in the process of signing up for it, you can enter an adjustment for any payroll item. Liability balance adjustments change the amounts QuickBooks shows in payroll reports. To adjust the liability balance, select Employees, Payroll Taxes and Liabilities, Adjust Payroll Liabilities from the menu bar to open the Liability Adjustment window. In the Date field, enter the date on which you are making the adjustment. In the Effective Date field, enter the date as of which you want this adjustment to affect your liability balances. QuickBooks uses this date to calculate amounts on Forms 940 and 941 and on the Payroll Liability Balances report. Next, choose whether this liability adjustment is for the company or a specific employee. In the Item Name field, choose the payroll liability to adjust and enter the amount of the adjustment into the Amount field. You can enter either a positive number or a negative number as is appropriate. Click the OK button when you are done to enter the adjustment, which will appear as of the effective date you entered.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.